It is an honor to be here today to officiate on the grand opening of Family Choice Supermarket and Cafe PTA Limited. This occasion marks yet another milestone in our nation's journey towards economic growth, entrepreneurship, and community development. Today, we celebrate not just the opening of a new business, but the aspirations of hardworking individuals who have taken a step towards contributing to Fiji's economic progress. Ladies and gentlemen, the People's Coalition and your government is committed to steering Fiji towards a stronger, more resilient and sustainable economy. The past few years have been challenging, but we have remained steadfast in our vision to create a business-friendly environment, increase investor confidence, and foster innovation. Our economy is on the right path in terms of recovery and transformation. Through strategic policies, we are creating a more dynamic private sector, one that fosters entrepreneurship, supports micro, small, medium enterprises, MSMEs, such as the Shop Today, and ensures that every Fijian has the opportunity to succeed. The opening of businesses like Family Choice Supermarket and Cafe is a testament to the confidence of investors and entrepreneurs in Fiji's economy. It reflects the opportunities available and the determination of individuals who are willing to take the initiative in shaping their future and ultimately the nation's prosperity. Family Choice Supermarket and Cafe Pte Limited is more than just a business. It is a symbol of resilience, commitment, and vision. By establishing this supermarket and cafe, the owners are not only providing goods and services to the community, the maritime community, but also creating employment opportunities, fostering entrepreneurship, and supporting local suppliers. Supermarkets, of course, play a crucial role in supply chain management, providing market access for farmers, fishermen, and local producers. When we choose to buy local, we empower Fijian businesses and encourage sustainability. This supermarket will contribute to keeping money circulating within our economy, boosting domestic trade, and particularly maritime trade, and encouraging further investment. Additionally, the cafe component of this business adds another layer of value for promoting the food and hospitality industry, attracting customers, and creating a vibrant business environment in the local community. As we celebrate the opening of Family Choice Supermarket and Cafe today, we would like to especially recognize the hard work, dedication, and entrepreneurial spirit of those who have brought this vision to life, in particular, Ms. Lalita Kumar and Sandeep Chandra. To as owners, the staff, and stakeholders, congratulations for this remarkable achievement. Your success is Fiji's success. We encourage you to continue to strive for excellence, maintaining high standards, and serving the community with integrity and dedication. The government stands ready to support businesses like yours in every way possible, ensuring a conducive environment for growth, innovation, and long-term prosperity. Once again, congratulations to Family Choice Supermarket and Cafe Pte Limited. May your business flourish, your efforts be rewarded, and your contribution to our nation's economy be long-lasting. With that, it is my honor to declare the Family Choice Supermarket and Cafe Pte Limited open for business. Thank you. May God bless Family Choice Supermarket Cafe and the owners. May God bless Fiji and may God bless us all. Nasa available.
Thank you, Mr. Kamikamica. Now I invite our manager.